Welcome back, and today we have another unboxing. This pair, a very different kind. This is a Paraboot Wholecut. Now, if you think back to my prior videos talking about Paraboot, I had the Paraboot Avignon, which is this shoe. Now, this one is in suede, but they come in many different kinds. It's a split toe. Paraboot is known for the rubber sole and for this Norwegian welt. Now, not to be confused with Norvegese, this actually has a welt and is done by machine, not by hand. So what is special about Paraboot Wholecuts? Let's take a look. Now here is the Wholecut. It has a Norwegian welt. Not nearly as clean as my other one, but pretty clean. It's hard to tell, but you can see like the welt coming together there. Not necessarily as attractive as I may be used to seeing, but also far from bad. All right. Then one piece of leather all the way around, just like that, right to the seam. So this is a single seam Wholecut and really cool sole. Again, Paraboot, super soft sole, stitch density, not super fine, okay, kind of big, but also the stitching matches the welt, which is kind of a nice feature, so it looks nice that way. And of course, like all Paraboots, super soft lining, super soft leather. It says no polish on it, so it's kind of like a blank canvas. Can do anything I want with it. And it's a formal-ish casual shoe. Yes, I said that on purpose because it's a Wholecut, which is formal, but it's got this big rubber sole, and that makes it casual. This leather also makes it casual, so we'll have to see how that all comes together. Now here's the other one. Paraboot on the inside. And it even says Kuso Norwegian, which is Norwegian welt. And there we are. Or Norwegian construction, I guess. Now, it comes with shoe bags. Their shoes are not in the shoe bags, of course. And I bought this from a company called Brion Chassou, which is my first time purchasing anything from them. I just thought I'd see what these were like. And this particular model is called the Musset. So put it right there. So the Musset Galaxy, and it says that they're black, and then it says that they're coffee, which is interesting. But these are definitely what I ordered, which was not black, but brown. So just to make sure that it's clear, that is brown. Dark brown, but brown. So anywho, just a short unboxing. Look forward to wearing these and seeing what they're like to wear. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below.